Hello and welcome. Daily use sentences number 47. It could have rained. It could have rained. बारिश हो सकती थी. बारिश हो सकती थी. बारिश is rain, okay? Ho is become or come in this case. Sakti thi is could. So here it literally means rain could have come, okay? But here it gives the meaning of it could have rained. We could have won the match. We could have won the match. हम मैच जीत सकते थे. हम मैच जीत सकते थे. हम is we, मैच is match, जीत सकते थे is could have won. Okay, could have won is जीत सकते थे. He could have been a thief. He could have been a thief. वह चोर हो सकता था. वह चोर हो सकता था. वह is he, चोर is thief, हो सकता था is could have been. Okay, could have been is हो सकता था. हो is become, but here it gives the meaning of been. Anything could have happened yesterday. Anything could have happened yesterday. कल कुछ भी हो सकता था. कल कुछ भी हो सकता था. कल is yesterday. Okay. कुछ भी is anything. हो is happen or become. Here it means happen. हो सकता था is could have happened. सकता था means could have. Okay. हो सकता था is could have happened. It could have snowed yesterday. It could have snowed yesterday. कल बर्फ पड़ सकती थी. कल बर्फ पड़ सकती थी. कल is yesterday. बर्फ is snow. बर्फ पड़ is verb snow. सकती थी is could have. बर्फ पड़ सकती थी is could have snowed. She could have been a teacher. She could have been a teacher. वह एक शिक्षिका हो सकती थी. वह एक शिक्षिका हो सकती थी. वह is she, एक is a, you can use it or leave it. शिक्षिका is teacher. हो सकती थी is could have been. He could not have recognized me. He couldn't have recognized me. वह मुझे पहचान नहीं सकता था. वह मुझे पहचान नहीं सकता था. वह is he, मुझे is me, पहचान is recognize. Okay? नहीं is not, सकता था is could have. पहचान नहीं सकता था is could not have recognized. Okay? She could not have done this work without him. She couldn't have done this work without him. वह उसके बिना यह काम नहीं कर सकती थी. वह उसके बिना यह काम नहीं कर सकती थी. वह is she, उसके बिना is without him. Okay, without him is उसके बिना. यह is this, काम is work, नहीं is not, कर is do but here done, कर सकती थी could have done, नहीं कर सकती थी could not have done. The meal couldn't have been better. The meal couldn't have been better. भोजन बेहतर नहीं हो सकता था. भोजन बेहतर नहीं हो सकता था. भोजन is meal, बेहतर is better, नहीं is not, हो is be, but here it means been, सकता था is could have. बेहतर नहीं हो सकता था could not have been better. Okay. Who could have carried out such a vile attack? Who could have carried out such a vile attack? इतना घिनौना हमला कौन कर सकता था? इतना घिनौना हमला कौन कर सकता था? इतना is such, घिनौना is vile, हमला is attack, कौन is who, कर is do, but here it means carry out. Okay, carry out. कर सकता था is could have, could have. कर सकता था could have carried out. Okay. How could he have been so stupid? How could he have been so stupid? वह इतना मूर्ख कैसे हो सकता था? वह इतना मूर्ख कैसे हो सकता था? वह is he, इतना is so, मूर्ख is stupid, कैसे is how, हो is be, but here it gives the meaning of been, सकता था is could have. Okay. Why could she have been so selfish? Why could she have been so selfish? वह इतनी स्वार्थी क्यों हो सकती थी? वह इतनी स्वार्थी क्यों हो सकती थी? वह is she, इतनी is so, स्वार्थी is selfish, क्यों is why, हो is be, but here been, सकती थी is could have, हो सकती थी is could have been. Okay. Next, it's not funny, someone could have been hurt. It's not funny, someone could have been hurt. यह मजाक नहीं है, किसी को चोट लग सकती थी. यह मजाक नहीं है, किसी को चोट लग सकती थी. It's not funny is यह मजाक नहीं है. Okay, मजाक is fun. This is not fun. This translates to this is not fun, but here it's not funny. किसी को is someone. चोट is injury. Okay, injury. चोट लग here means hurt. Okay, be hurt. Be hurt is चोट लग. सकती थी is could have. Okay, चोट लग सकती थी is could have been hurt or could have been injured. Okay, injured. Thank you for watching my video. You can also watch these videos to improve your Hindi.